In the 2016 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, front disc and rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, rear parking aid. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.